So this is our agenda of today. We will start with Icebreaker, and then deep dive to what is artificial intelligence, and then move to everyday artificial intelligence example, and then have a mini demo of how artificial intelligence worked. And finally, final and not the least, we will have a Q&A session, and then closing and getting the feedback from all of you. So about the icebreaker, I would like to give an opportunity to every one of us to introduce himself. It is one of fundamental aspect of a good meeting to start with introduction, because we are here as people of the same interest, also people of the same goal. So, and this is where it starts. Amidst us here, we have our future employees and employer. We have a business partner between us here, and we may have even spouses among us. So it is very important for people to know themselves, so that once they meet somewhere, they won't be able to introduce themselves again. They can do other interesting things ahead. So I will start with you, and then I will start from behind and then out to the end. So, okay, very good, very nice exercise, and very interesting. That is what I like. I like my class to be always interesting like that, because a class like that help people to grow in a way that they be able to learn easily. So that is it. So so basically, what is artificial intelligence? We call it AI. So artificial intelligence is the simulation of human intelligence in machines, where machines are programmed to think and learn like humans. For example, we have a speech recognition, problem solving, and decision making. Speech recognition is a very good example. We see in Google. This is where you speak to a system and it translates audio into text. We have problem solving, ChatGPT. Let's take an example of that, and then also decision making. Decision making also, we use ChatGPT for decision making. So we have to look at the categories of artificial intelligence, or the level of artificial intelligence. So we have what is called narrow AI, and this is a kind of AI that is specialized in a specific task. Only the data is trained based on a specific data. It does not work on multiple problems. For example, we have chatbots. Let's take example of your company. You have a company that is, let's say that your company is a hospitality company, and in that hospitality company, you have a chatbot that is used for customer experience. So this chatbot will only be trained on your data that you have. The questions that you have based on your company. So we also have Siri, a very good example. Siri, that is the one that is in in AFL. If you know AFL, then it can be very easy for you to understand Siri. So we have general AI that is called hypothetical future AI that has a human intelligence, and it is a super kind of AI that surpass the narrow AI, because in narrow AI it only specializes on a task, but general AI will be focusing on the human intelligence. The human intelligence. Human being knows many things and does many and do many things. So we also have what is called super intelligent artificial AI, artificial intelligence. I mean, so this kind of artificial intelligence is beyond human intelligence, and that is theoretical. So it is the most complex and the most super artificial intelligence that we have. But currently we are in an age of narrow AI. We haven't surpassed the narrow AI, and soon we will go into general AI, and there is too much discussion on that based on the biases and also the consequences it will bring to the market. So these are the things that are happening now about AI, and to know more, to have a very good basic in artificial intelligence, you need to know that we are now in a narrow AI, the kind of AI that focuses on a simple task. We have the everyday application of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is applied in a variety of fields that range from chatbots, that is customer support, as I have told you before. We have a recommendation system. This recommendation system, we can find them in Netflix, YouTube, and even Facebook. Facebook has a feature now where it personalizes your data based on the interactions that you have, with your in your account. So it is a very good system. We have fraud detection, and that is always a concern of banking sector. So it is a very good application, and it is impacting banking sector so much. So this is where we have credit card fraud detection, spam detection, etc. We also have a spam detection that is used by email. It is very popular. We know it. We see spams on our emails every day. So this is a very good application of artificial intelligence. So I would like to show you how artificial intelligence works. And I would like to open ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT with questions, so that we see how it processes the data and how we see the life cycle of artificial intelligence from ChatGPT. I did not mention before that the life cycle of artificial intelligence is that we start with the data, then after that we go into data analysis, and then data analysis. This is where we will have an algorithms that have been trained, and also after that we predict. After prediction we improve. After improvement, then it has been deployed now. So this is how artificial intelligence has been formed, and it happens when we are using it. Just like now ChatGPT, when we say that what's the name of the tutor, of our tutor, and if I have any data on artificial intelligence, then they will say that your teacher is Abraham Makur. So from the raw data, artificial intelligence will analyze and say that, okay, Abraham Akur is the teacher. And then after that, it will go into the algorithms that have been trained. These algorithms will predict. So when the prediction is correct, then it's okay. But when the prediction is wrong, then it has to improve. So this is the life cycle of artificial intelligence, and it is in a system that has already been built. This is how they are built, and this is how they work. So also I would like to demonstrate with a small ML prediction, a prediction project. Let's say that is spam detection. Spam detection is a kind of a classification problem. So we classify the problems, the output into two. We have data that is either spam or not. So when the data is spam, then it will say that one. Or when the data is not spam, then it will say that wrong. Based on the data that has been provided to it. And it works in that cycle like that. It starts from data that we have input, then analyzing that data, and then giving the algorithms. We have multiple algorithms in machine learning. So like we have regression, we have classification, we have regression, SBM. These are the different algorithms that are available there, and you can also develop your own algorithms. So this is how it works like that. So now I would like to have a very good and interesting section. This is a session where I feel the interaction and also get to know the perspectives of my students, and also get to know what I have missed, and also what should be added on what we have been talking about. So now I would like to call upon everyone who have a question to freely ask their question. So the floor is yours. If you have any questions, I will definitely try my level best to see how I can approach your question and also learn from it. So start. Okay, that is a very good exercise. I'm so pleased with your understanding of artificial intelligence, and also curious questions that you have come with. So this helps us to grow. Curiosity helps us to grow. Now I'm so excited. I've learned from you, and also you have also learned from me. So now we are now in a closing session, and the key takeaway is AI is part of our daily lives, as I've told you before. Spam detection, Netflix. So these are the things that we are using every day. Many practical applications already exist. I told you that. We have to continue learning and exploring artificial intelligence. That is a fact. And then lastly, I appreciate you for your participation. And please your feedback help us to improve our activities. So I would like to have a moment to hear your feedback. How was the session? Thank you so much.